Minsan, pag puno ka ng problema, nagdidilim yung iyong paningin, nagdidilim yung iyong isip, bumibigat yung iyong puso. But we should not forget that. No matter how painful you are feeling, pray, try to sing a hymn to God, and try to speak good things. Try to preach the word of God. How can you expect God to create a miracle in your life if you're not praying? How can you attract good and positive things if you're not opening your mouth to good and positivity? You are already experiencing negativity in your life. To pray unceasingly, you will never experience a miracle if you're doing something wrong in your life. God's miracle, God's goodness will not be felt in your life if you're staying in negativity, if you're living in darkness.